Welcome everybody. This will be a short tutorial on how to use the Pubky app. We'll dive into the different features that the app offers and how it differentiates from traditional social media platforms. First, what is Pubky? Pubky app is your gateway to a new kind of web, one that built on cryptographic keys instead of rented accounts. Unlike traditional social media like X and Facebook and TikTok, your identity, data, and connections belong only to you. That means you can always migrate, verify, and control your online presence without no central gatekeepers. We'll cover how to create an account, sign up, create a post, articles, tags, and more. So, let's get started. Once you land on the webpage, you can click on create an account. Here you'll be presented with an onboarding process, which is going to tell you a little bit more about what is Pubky, why is it different, as well as the different features that the platform offers. And now here, we're presented with essentially a few ways to create an account. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll use Pubky Ring. Pubky Ring is the key manager for your identity and Pubky ecosystem. With Pubky Ring, you can authorize or revoke access to services, organize and sync up your Pubkeys across devices, and control active sessions. So right now, as you can see here, I'm creating a new Pubky. Pubky. Here I'll put in have tutorial, and I will use an invite code. I already copied that. The reason why we use invite codes is that it's a temporary measure to prevent spam and server overload while the app is in beta, since we want to preserve the privacy of our users instead of asking for emails and telephone numbers. Okay, and once that is ready, I will click Authorize, and I'll scan this. I'll click Authorize, and here we go. I can create an account. So typing in Pavel, synonym, let's say HTTPS. I can create this as well, and I can create an account. Sometimes you always have to refresh. Sometimes you need to refresh just to see the actual image load properly. And there you have it. It was as simple as that.